I've recently moved into Fedora, and I was wondering on how to transform a multimedia file into another. And I found this tool called FFmpeg. So we're gonna go ahead. Oh, sorry. We're gonna go ahead and install FFmpeg right now. Sudo dnf install ffmpeg. Now it's gonna ask you for your password, of course, and package is already installed. I already have it installed. So first things first, what is FFmpeg? FFmpeg is a very powerful tool where it can do a multimedia tool where it can do a various amount of things. I'm gonna list a couple right now. One of them is to convert a multimedia file to another. You can screen record. You can completely edit the way a video file is. So I can change the resolution of this video file. I can change the frame rate. I can change the bit rate. Um, I can extract the audio of this file using this amazing tool. Do is now we want to navigate to where our file is. In my case, it's giga.avi, and this file is located on my desktop and /tests. So we're gonna head over to our desktop /test folder. So cd desktop /tests, and if we run ls, we can see that we are in the correct directory. We can see that our file is right there. Um, Or otherwise, a much easier way to do it is just by right-clicking where your file is, clicking Open Terminal here, and as you can see, we are in the desktop /tests directory. Now, I want to convert my giga.avi into an MP4. So, first things first, we call FFmpeg. So we type in FFmpeg, we write -i, and then we write the name of the file that we want to convert. In my case, it's gonna be giga.avi. So giga.avi. And then we're gonna select which codec we want to utilize, which video codec and which audio codec we want to utilize. I'll just be using a VP9 video codec and then a, what's it called? libvorbis audio codec. So we want to do that little thing, I don't know what it's called, little dash C, so that stands for codec, and then we select by pressing V. Okay, so this stands for codec video, and we're going to type in our video codec. In my case, it's going to be VP9. And then we want to select our audio codec. The audio codec that we're using, again, little dash C and then dot audio, so A. So again, this is the video codec, so codec V, and then this is going to be the audio codec, codec A. And then we write the audio codec that we want to utilize. I'm going to be utilizing libvorbis. Very weird name. And then what we want to do is we want to name the file um, to whatever name you want and specify the format in which you want it in. So I'm going to be naming my file into giga2.avi. So I'm going to be giga2 giga2.mp4. So we write giga2.mp4. So again, we call FFmpeg, we write -i, then we put our input file, our first file, which we want to convert. Then we're going to select our video codec, we're going to select our audio codec, and then we're gonna put the name of the file that we want, which can be whatever name you want it to be, and then the format in which you want it in. I want it in .mp4. Then we're just press enter, and it's gonna start processing it. As you can see, neither bitrate nor quality has been specified, so it just uses the default, which I'm fine with. I'll be showing you how to change these as well in another video. And as you can see, our file has been created, so no errors, no nothing. Our video file is right here. If we double click it, this is a render made by Chris, the other owner of this YouTube channel. He's just having fun and rendering some stuff. And yeah, one more thing. If you would like to see what codecs you would like to utilize, you can write in FFMPEG, then little dash codecs, and here you get a very, very long list of all the codecs that they have incorporated. So it starts from here and then it goes all the way down here. Let me just show you, for example, the video codec that we used, which is going to be VP9. There you go. Where we find our codec. This is the codec that we utilized, VP9. As you can see, I find it right here, and it's even got a description of everything. Um, and yeah, it just got everything. It's got a various amount of codecs. That's it for the video, and yeah, see ya.